All right, so the goal here, guys, is really just to build out the inner circle community so that we can maximize our impact and build a loyal tribe who are hungry for knowledge, hungry for information, that want to get in the trenches and either learn real estate, or the other wing of this could be the stock and the crypto side of the business. Really building out the inner circle community. What is this? It's just an elite network of entrepreneurs, real estate investors, business owners who share a common goal, share common interests, and are all about getting in the trenches and learning the strategies on how they can scale their business, how they can maximize and get more knowledge and be more effective in everyday life. Right? Why is this so valuable? Man, that inner circle is going to provide you with the community. Right? This is the elite investors, the elite real estate professionals who have the strategies, who have the roadmaps, right? Come together in a type of mastermind environment where you can share high-end resources. This is so clutch, especially as we're rolling out the inner circle community. We'll actually call this the membership economy. Now, what do I mean by membership economy? If you're a business owner and you don't have some type of a subscription model inside of your business, then you're missing the mark, right? So we'll start out, say, to be a part of the inner circle community, you could offer your bottom tier product for $97, right? It's a cup of coffee a day, essentially, where you can be a part of the tribe, where you can join the community and get access to that shared knowledge and vision, right? We'll call this the top of our funnel. So everything we do in our funnel will filter into that, whether it be our YouTube videos, whether it be our Facebook or Google pay-per-click, whatever your means of marketing is, whatever information you're putting out there, you want to somehow funnel that down the tube, right? In our case, we're going straight to YouTube, right? YouTube's a great place to captivate your audience where you can really build up that relationship, nourish the community, and then of course have your elite model that goes to our inner circle. So in this case, the movement inner circle.com, right? At this point, that's where everyone's coming in, where they can join. We're actually opening up the free model, the free subscription where you can come in. This is kind of like our beta testing ground where we can have people come in. We're sharing our strategies and really giving people the roadmap. But the ultimate goal with this, as we're building up this education and knowledge industry, is to have different peers, right? So you got your inner circle at the top. This is your loyal community, your committed fans, people that believe in your vision, they love the knowledge, and you're helping them grow and get to that next level in their journey, right? But from that inner circle, you can go down that funnel and offer masterminds, right? So we can have an elite level mastermind for the high-end investors that want to take it a step further. And we have either annually or bi-annually mastermind events where we rent a huge 2,000 square foot house, in Orlando or somewhere nice in the mountains of Asheville. And you get, 15 to 20 heads. These are your elite, high level thinking investors that want to take it a step further, right?